Hello everyone, it's Friday and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And after Tuesday's debacle, whether na isasali natin sa bold review ang tournament, siguro naman ay hindi na. I think there is discourse online sa Facebook na upset sa tournament. Kasi scam daw. Ba't daw nasa Viva Max or nasa BMX yung tournament? Wala namang hubaran. Sana sa Viva 1 na lang. Siguro kasi, Viva 1 is leaning towards family-friendly content. And I think the decision is dahil medyo mature yung tournament. There is blood. There is people getting beat up. Basa, basagulero. And then Frankie Russell showing some skin kahit walang frontal nudity. Siguro hindi siya kumagat sa criteria ng Viva 1. Kaya sa BMX na lang siya nilagay. And then another disappointing news that we have figured out. Kasi every time mag-o-open tayo ng bagong pelikula sa BMX, there are trailers. Okay? We got the trailer for next week's Bold Review, which is Warat. Warat is the remake of the movie by Joyce Jimenez and Joe Marillana. Yeah, I think it was Joe Marillana, yung katambal ni Joyce Jimenez sa Warat. And yeah, we're gonna have our remake dito. I'm upset that Margaret Diaz is assuming the role of Joyce Jimenez again. I think it would have been better if the mantle is given to Ashley Lopez. Pero at least hindi si Margaret ang gaganap sa Scorpionites or nagaganapin ni Apple Celso. Okay. May isa pang nakalimutan ko sino yung isa eh. Teka nga, punta tayo sa ano, punta tayo sa BMX. Ano yung unang, yung bagong ano? They did a picture on this new stars sa Viva Max. I just want to look at it before we head to the review of Seg Street. Okay? Okay, so the new, saan ba yun? I'm just looking at the, I'm just looking at the original series or yung Nigo. We're gonna talk about Nigo again. Yun, bagong tukso. Okay. Yeah, bagong tukso. Apple Celso, Margaret Fox. Alison Ross, I think kasali siya sa sundutan. Sulutan. Na-review ko na ba to? Na-review ko na ba to? Sulutan? Teka. After the guy Lopez revealed the person of Mara is on his room because she confides. When did this happen? When did this happen? Was Nireview ko pa sulutan? Wait, am I being blank in my mind? Or I'm just an idiot? Tingnan natin Sulutan. Na-review ko ba? Sulutan. Angkin mo ako. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I reviewed it 1 month ago. Sorry, I forgotten it. Iba kasi yung tsura niya eh. So, Alison Ross was there. So, Heart Fox is the only person left na di ko pa nare-review. Heart Fox. Who is Heart Fox? Wala pa siyang pelikula dito sa BMX. So, Apple Celso is Scorpio Knights 4. And we're gonna be I'm excited about this. Marco Mora, Alvi Casino, Sahara Bernales, Apple Celso. And okay, so let's talk about the other the disappointing news. Yung kay Ayana Misola. So, hindi siya mag-uubad ulit. Hindi siya magpapasexy. So, sa mga umaasa na makikipagkangkangan ulit si Ayana Misola. So, sorry na lang. Her comeback sa BMX is actually, she is hosting a BMX feature. Ligo. Okay? So, it's not gonna be her. Unless she masturbates at the end of Ligo, and that's fine. Pero, I doubt. Okay? So, he's gonna stay retired, whether you like it or not. Okay, let's go with the review of ano to? Anong review natin? Sex Trip. Okay. So before anything else, if you like this video, paki-like na lang po, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. Okay, Sex Trip. Let's talk about it. This is a movie about 5 college graduates. Si Tommy, let me see if I get their names right. Tommy, Lynn, Jane, Grace. What is this? Zenless Zone Zero. No, Zenless Zone Zero, Grace and Jane. Anomaly Zone Zero. Okay, and the other, nakalimutan ko sino si Van Allen. Okay, so let's see. I just have to go back to the credits. Shit. Ayun, copyright. Okay. Nasaan na siya? Okay, Fred, Victor Relosa. Okay. So, sila yung magkakaibigan. Lynn is the girlfriend ni Fred. Si Angeline Ariel is Grace. She has the same size of boobies as Grace Howard from Zenless Zone Zero. Then we got Tommy, si Van Allen, si Tommy Pickles. Okay, but ang sentro dito ay si China Dizon. I actually had a tough time recalling who the hell China Dizon is. And then I remember kasali siya dun sa pool. Oo. Yung nagkakangkangan sila sa pool. Madulas. Yun, nandun si China Dizon. That was her debut film. Madulas. So if you like Pansamantala, you will also like Madulas. Kaso ang boring nung si Marco Mora yun, no? Ang boring umarte nun eh. Anyway, ayun. So, ito si China Dizon, she is, ang pangalan dito si Jane. Okay? So, as Jane, she is nerdy, she is a virgin, until these 5 college graduating students stumble across a mystical cave. So, yung cave, ang unang pumasok dito si Jane. Ang nakita niya dito ay mga hieroglyphics or cave wall paintings. Hieroglyphics, that's Egyptian. Cave wall paintings ng mga tao na nagkakantutan. Okay? And what happens here is yung tubig galing sa stalagmite or stalactite. Ewan ko, ano yung pababa? Yeah, I'll go with, basta yung pababa, the sedimentary stone na pababa, stalactite, stalagmite, gets na, bumuhos sa kanya, okay? Tumulo sa kanya and it gave her the vision of native people dito sa kuweba na kung tawagin ay Tamago. There's also a guy named Lucio dito sa credits pero played by Neil Tolentino pero hindi ko siya nakita sa pelikula o nakaligtaan ko lang. So comment nyo na lang kung nakita ko tong Neil Tolentino na to pero I guess he got cut in this movie. I guess, I don't know. Yeah. So Jane became strange. She had this sexual awakening within her na nag-unlock ng kanyang desire. Remember, she is a virgin. And then, she gets to one by one have sex with her classmates or college classmates. So, una pa lang sa panaginip niya, she wants to have Fred. But Fred is in love with Lynn. You don't believe me? Okay? Lynn and Fred spent many minutes in this movie, simula pa lang and in the middle, having sex outside the campsite and inside the cave kung saan may sapaw. That is how this movie framed up or parang sinet up si Lynn and Fred. Kaya hanggang sa panaginip lang kaya makipagkangkangan, ma-imagination lang ni Jane nakikipagtalik siya dito kay Fred. Kasi di siya baka the moves. So, ang una niya din na moves ay si Grace. Si Angeline Ariel. Angeline or Grace dito sa pelikula na to is not the boyfriend, it's not the girlfriend of Tommy. So, I don't know the relationship, baka friends na sila. Pero Tommy is like an incel. Nakita niya na nagta-touch na or naghahawakan na ng yoga itong si Jane saka si Grace, and then Tommy's anomaly just spikes up. He goons on two women having sex. Okay? He goons to it. And then, umuwi lang. Normal. And then, we go to the next sex scene, which I think is the best sex scene in this movie. So, nadatnan ni Tommy na naniligo si Jane sa batis. And then, napansin ni Jane si Tommy na namboboso. And then she gave Tommy a bit of a quickie. Frontal insertion, and then tumalikod si Jane, backward insertion. This is yung nakikita natin sa trailer sa mga past BMX movies. Like, they get this short snippet, and then, ito yung eksena na yun. And then, the title, Sex Strip, just flashes, nagpa-flash na lang sa mata mo. Yun. So, apparently, nainis na tong si Lynn kasi naghalikan si Grace saka si Jane. And it became an anomaly, di ba? So, napansin niya na tinitingnan sila ni Fred, ang init ng tingin ni Fred sa dalawa, nagselos itong si Lynn. And then, Fred almost had the hots for Jane in that one night. Dumating lang si Lynn just to stop it. And then, Jane suddenly went into a trance. She said nagbanggit siya ng mga salita. It's like, great beast in the sky, please hear my cry. Go up this out of light and bring me victory of this fight. As I call your name, let me win this shadow game with Dragon of War or something. Parang ganun. And then, people for the Tamawo, sabi sa credits, Tamawo, started going up like zombies and started painting the group in mud. And the five collegiate college graduate students decides to have an orgy in the cave for 12 minutes. Yes, I timed it right. 12 minutes of orgy inside the cave. Natapos yung orgy, and then Lynn said, whatever happens in this cave, stays in the cave. Then Jane went to join the Tamawo kasi siya yung seed, siya yung sanhi ng nangyaring ito. And she wants to step away from the civilization or something. I don't know, she said something about she gives up because she is tired of fighting. So I guess tired na siya sa buhay niya or something. So she rather be a madman, and then umalis na lang yung apat. And that's how Seg Strip ends. Pretty mystical. I like this approach, yung parang new approach ng BMX, going to the mystical side. I mean, we had seen Sirena, di ba? Nakita niyo yung Sirena, yung kay Micaela Ras. That was awesome. That was great, ano. And what I noticed dito sa pelikula na to is, yung kanyang music, it's not yung, paano ko ba i-describe? Hindi siya yung hindi siya yung tipo na, ano, na overwhelming. No, hindi siya yung background music na, overwhelming sa eksena eh. Because, yung mga past na BMX music, like, they got the din 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 din, like, di ba ganun? Dito, it's just the piano. I mean, it's not piano. It's just the nature yung naririnig natin. Yeah, it's just the nature's calling yung naririnig natin sa pelikula na to. And I think that's amazing that they utilize the nature for all the sexy scenes na ginawa sa movie. Okay, so we're here at our tier list. Where are we going to go to the Seg Strip? I'll just go, bro, I just opened the app kasi pagkabukas mo, nagtatalik na sila kagad. Really good storytelling. I think the Segs is mid, to be quite frankly, pero yeah, paghahanap nyo tataas ko yung tier nitong pelikula to if I see who the hell Lucio is. Yeah, that's my review. Like and subscribe. Kung gusto niyo mag-comment, be nice. Kasi pwede ko kayo kasuhan. Si Saint Ontas, kinasuhan si Mr. Pokey. So, ingat-ingat lang. Peace.